Yeah, hi, this is Vincent Arcuri. You hear me speak when I'm threading the machine. This happens to be the new PE-900. It's similar to the PE-800, very similar, and the PE-770, except for the software. In this one, it's Wi-Fi, and it also cuts the jump stitches down to 5 millimeter. Okay, now, I always talk about when I'm threading, you go through 1, up to 2, over, down to 3, up to 4, then to the left of 4, down to 5, and you pick up the take-up lever at that point. Then I say you come down to 6, and I use 2 hands. Right? I hold out, I don't know, 5 inches of thread, and I put my finger here, and then I pull the thread to the left, and there's a click. You feel it and hear it. Okay, and then you go through 7. I say that's the bird's mouth, and then you cut it in the front of the machine over here. Now I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this with a close-up. I got to show you something. I got to show you what I'm talking about. Let me take the thread out. And I'm going to go back in to the point where I'm at 6. And then I'm going to do a close-up. Okay. All right, I'm going to do a close-up now. Just this. All right. All right. Here, this is the number 6 guide. Here's the number 6. And right here, there's a piece of metal. That's a spring. And it goes around to the bottom, to the top, and that moves back. This moves back and allows the thread in. So I'm going to bring the thread into that area. I'm going to get it to the point. Now you're going to see that little clip move back. See? And it allowed the thread to go in. And then here's the bird's mouth I talk about. All right? And that of course is ready to be threaded. Now of course you could see the thread's behind that spring right there. It's behind. If that bends, and it does happen sometimes when you're putting the needle in, if you're not careful, when that bends, the thread does not stay behind here. When it's sewing, it whips like this, and it whips right out. Once it comes out, within a couple of seconds, you're going to get a thread break. It's going to say, check your upper thread. I mean, I've been using these machines, I don't know, 11 years, so very familiar with that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the threading. It goes right through, see? And then I tell you, take something. I use a scissor, just to grab the loop and pull it back. Okay? So that's what I wanted to share with this video. This is the new PE-900. It came out October 21st. Vince Curry, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe. It's my new channel. My other one was hacked. 14-year channel. I had 14 million views. I had 38,000 subscribers and 980 videos. Was hacked, and YouTube terminated me. Just like that. That's because my Gmail was hacked. It was no longer valid, and they saw it. They were able to see it with Google management, and it violated their community guidelines. They couldn't contact me via Gmail because the Gmail was hacked. And at that point, I did not have a new Gmail to set up. I mean, I went through hell. I'm still going through hell with everything, You don't realize how important your existing email is. Well, maybe you have it for 10 years, like I did, and with Gmail, you're able to go back 13 years. If you remembered you bought something 13 years ago and there's an email related to it, you could do that. But, you have to have longevity to do that. Vince Curry, and I thank you for watching.